2 of 6 points placed in the following rectangle, 3 by 4 rectangle, must have distance less than square root of 5. So no matter how you place 6 points on the top of this, inside this 3 by 4 rectangle, there will be 2 whose distance is less or equal to square root of 5. So if you want to use Dirichlet principle, so you have to solve like we have 6 points. So the idea is very simple. Since you have 6 points, we need to divide this region into 5 parts less than 1. So you need to divide it into 5 parts somehow. Let's see. So the idea is you need to divide this somehow into 5 parts, 1, 2, like this, for example, right? 5 parts. Since you have 6 points, so you can place 1 point in each of them, and one of these 5 parts will have at least 2 points. And then so that's the idea. So what is the restriction? What is the requirement for the parts? So inside these parts, the distance between 2 points, or the radius, diameter of the parts, the furthest points, the longest distance inside these parts has to be at most square root of 5. So when 2 points fall into the same point, when 2 points fall into the same part, we can immediately claim that the distance is maximum square root of 5. So the idea is simple. So when you look at this problem, you can immediately see that you want to divide the 3 by 4 rectangle into 5 parts. So now the idea is, now the question is how. So you can pause the video and then try to figure that out. One way is the following parts. So here we have part 1, then let's see. So here, this one is the part 1, the second part, and then here is third part, 4 and 5. So the 5 parts. So these 3 are same, and then these are the halves of those parts. But you can see if you look at inside this like house-like figure, pentagon, what's the maximum distance? So from here to here is 2 units. It's less than square root of 5. If you do this diagonal here, that's square root of 5 maximum. And for example, if you do this diagonal, it's again square root of 5. If you do something like this, it will be less than diagonal. So the longest distances are the diagonals, and then all the long diagonals are square root of 5. So the longest distance inside this region is maximum square root of 5. So which means when you have 2 points inside this region, the distance is going to be at most square root of 5, no matter how. So if you just place 6 points, 1 here, 1 here, 1 here, 1 here, 5, and then you will have to place the 6th one in one of these, for example here, and then this distance is going to be less than square root of 5. So that proves this partition of the rectangle, 3 by 4 rectangle, into 5 pieces proves the statement of the problem.